Anything for his eyes. What?
I'm recording.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, embarrassing for me. Wait, I have a video. My fingers are very cold.
I know, you need gloves.
I'm wearing gloves.
Yeah, well, it doesn't count if they don't have fingers. That's the smallest snowman I've ever seen.
Maybe he's going to be a cyclops.
I love the crunching sound.
Oh no. My snowman's eye.
This is Southern California. Snow in our backyard. Can't believe it. This is the world's smallest snowman ever. Alright. R2 and the snowman.
Cycloptic snowman.